On the sound around us, we talk a lot about energy, the energy in music, in rooms, and in the way we move through a day. And lately I have been thinking about how mornings set that tone because if the energy is off early, it follows me for the rest of the day. That is why I started using Strong Coffee Company. Their black instant blend is not just coffee. It is organic coffee with 15 grams of protein, MCTs, and adaptogens. You get bold flavor, focus, and clarity without the jitters or the crash, and it still tastes like real coffee instead of some fake health drink. I like that it is quick, convenient, and easy to keep in the routine whether I am recording, editing, planning, or just trying to start sharp. If you have been looking for a healthier and more productive way to start your day, this is one of the easiest upgrades you can make. Go to strongcoffeecompany.com and use promo code SOUND for 20% off any product. That is code SOUND for 20% off, and yes, I do earn a commission when you use it, which directly supports the sound around us. Better mornings, better focus, and better energy from the first sip through everything that comes after.